Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our previous year questions of IBPS Clerk exam. Well, in this session, we are going to do previous year questions of misspelled words. So, in this session, we'll discuss questions which are related to or similar to those questions that have already appeared in IBPS Clerk exams. So, these questions are based on misspelled word. In this session, we will discuss 25 questions related to IBPS Clerk exam which are based on misspelled words. It means those words which are not correctly spelled. Also, we'll discuss the solutions of these questions in detail. So let's begin this session. So here are the directions for the questions that we have to do in this session. So these are the directions that will definitely help you out while you are doing these questions. In the following questions, a sentence with 4 words in bold type is given. It means a sentence will be given to you in which there are 4 words which are bold. One of these words given in bold may be either wrongly spelled or inappropriate according to the context of the sentence. It means out of these 4 words which are bold, one word may be incorrectly spelled, or you can say wrongly spelled, or might be it is inappropriate according to the context of the sentence. It means though the spelling of the word is correct, yet that word is not suitable according to the context of the sentence or the requirement of the sentence. Find out the word which is wrongly spelled or inappropriate. Now what we have to do, we have to look for that particular word which is either wrongly spelled or inappropriate according to the context of the sentence. And that word is your answer. It means the word which is either wrongly spelled or inappropriate, that will be our answer, and that we have to find out. Now, if all the words are correctly spelled and also appropriate in the context of the sentence, select all correct as your answer. Now, it may happen that all the words which are given to us in bold are correct in spelling, also in the context or they are appropriate according to the context of the sentence. So, in that case, another option, that is E option, is given to us, that is all correct, that we have to select as our answer. So, let's begin these questions. So here we have the first question, that is question number 1. And the first question is, now one can buy mutual funds and other financial products such as insurance policies online. Now, if I look at this sentence carefully, if I see the bold words, now the bold words are buy, that is BYE. Now, if we say buy is correct according to spelling. But here buy means to shake hand and to greet. When we depart from someone, we say bye. So this kind of buy is this. And mutual funds, so the spelling of mutual is correct, MUTUAL. And it is written products, so the spelling of products is PRODUCTS. So this spelling is also correct. After that, we have another word, that is insurance. Now the spelling of insurance is INSURANCE. It means the spelling of insurance is also correct. Now, what is the mistake in this? Now, if we see the context of the sentence carefully, we try to understand, we are talking about buying mutual funds. It means purchasing mutual funds. And the synonym of purchase is buy, but that spelling is BUY, buy, not BYE. And here, according to the context of the sentence, this buy or the synonym of purchase is correct, not this buy. We are not bidding or creating buy to the mutual funds. In fact, we want to buy them, we want to purchase them. Therefore, the correct spelling of this buy is BUY, not BYE. Therefore, our answer is A, because this word is incorrect in this sentence. So the correct spelling will be BUY, buy. So this is the correct word to be used. So now one can buy mutual funds and other financial products such as insurance policies online. It means that we can purchase any insurance policy or another financial products, mutual funds online as well. We need not go to market and buy them from agencies and all. So this is how these type of questions can be done. Now let us move to the next question. Now this one is question number 2. Here it is written, the economy is on the path to recovery and slowly but surely the banking sector will perform well. Now, if we look at these bold words, the bold words are part, recovery, surely, perform. Now let us see the spellings of these words. So the spelling of part is P-A-R-T. The spelling is correct. If we see the word recovery, the spelling of recovery is R-E-C-O-V-E-R-Y. This spelling is also correct. Surely, S-U-R-E-L-Y, surely. This spelling is also correct. Perform, P-E-R-F-O-R-M, perform. This spelling is also correct. But if we look at the meaning of the sentence, it is the economy is on the path to recovery. Now, part refers to something, the amount of something which can be extracted from something, or you can say the area or the or a small area of something. It means a small you can say small part of something means a small area of something. So part here, this word is incorrect according to the context of the sentence, because we can say that the economy is on the right track, is in the right hand, or you can say is on the right path. So here this word part is incorrect. We are not talking about part of anything. The economy is on the path to recovery. Now, what part? Part is a small amount of something. But here, it is not showing that the economy is not the part of something. Now, here we are talking about that the economy is on the right track. Therefore, the word which is correct is P-A-T-H, path, and not the part. Therefore, this part is the correct answer. This is incorrect word. Instead, we should use P-A-T-H, path. Now, this word is absolutely correct. So, the correct sentence should be, the economy is on the path to recovery. It means it is on the track to get recovered. And slowly but surely the banking sector will perform well. So here this part is incorrect according to the context of the sentence. Instead, it should be replaced with path. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 3. As you can see over here, that it is question number 3 that we are going to discuss now. Asset reconstruction companies help troubled business by providing funds and expertise to manage better. Now the words which are in bold are help. So the spelling of help is H-E-L-P, help. This is correct. Troubled, T-R-O-U-B-L-E-D, troubled. Business. What does this business refers to? If we talk about the word busy, busy means being occupied or get involved in this in some work. But here it is written business. And if we see the word which is prior to it is troubled, this is actually participle, or you can say adjective. So participle basically refers to the words which qualify noun. So here we need some noun. And it is written business. Business is not appropriate or suitable word over here. So our answer is C, that is business, of course. Now, which is the correct word to be used? So the correct answer is business, because this word is incorrect, and the correct word should be business, because the spelling of business is B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. So the spelling of business, actually this word is business, but the spelling of this word is incorrect over here. So let us rectify it, and it should be B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. Now, what you have to do in your exam, that you need not rectify it. In fact, you would just have to select that particular word which is incorrect, or according to spelling, or according to the context of the sentence. That is it. Only you have to write that this is the answer. That's it. You need not rectify it. But because we are discussing over here, so we should rectify it so that we have an idea that why the sentence is incorrect. Now let us move to the next one. That is question number 4. The Asian Development Bank has supported the government's latest efforts to deliver quality health services to all sections of society. Now let us see the words over here which are in bold. So first word that we have is supported, S-U-P-P-O-R-T-E-D, supported. The spelling of supported is correct. After that we have latest, that is L-A-T-E-S-T, latest. This word is also correct. After that we have deliver, D-E-L-I-V-E-R, deliver. So this word is also correct. And after that we have sections, that is S-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, sections. So this word is also correct. Now, what is incorrect then? If we see the word, if we see the sentence carefully, the Asian Development Bank has supported. Supported means taking a stand off, or you can say just supported them, just make a backhand, or you can say they bolstered the government's latest efforts. It means the newest or the fresh efforts to deliver. For what? To deliver quality health services. It means to provide quality health services to sections of all society, to all the sections of society. Now, if we see, we cannot find any error in the sentence. I think that the sentence is entirely correct. The sentence is absolutely correct. So our answer will be all correct. Of course, if there is no error in the sentence, the answer is all correct. So here our answer is E because the sentence is absolutely correct entirely. Now let us move to the next one. Now here it is question number 5. A case-based discussion gives students the chance to diagnose a problem and debate on solutions to the given situation. Now here it is written debate, and this is actually a kind of sentence in which as soon as you see the sentence, as soon as you read the sentence, you get the answer. How? If we see the word debate, we know well that the spelling of debate is incorrect over here. So if we see another spellings, that is problem, problem, this is correct. After that we have solutions, this is also correct. The spelling of situation, that is also correct. Only the spelling debate is incorrect. So our answer is B, that is debate, debate, because the correct spelling will be debate. This is the correct spelling that has to be used over here. So here this debate debate should be replaced with debate debate. Now let us move to the next one. Here we'll have the question number 6, or we have the question number 6. Leaders and managers must communicate well with employees, customers, investors, and society as a whole. Now let us see all the spellings one by one. So the first spelling is managers, that is mangers. Another spelling is communicate, that is communicate, communicate. Now this spelling is correct. Employees, employees, this spelling is also correct. And another word is whole, that is whole, whole. This is also correct. And as a whole, this context is also correct. Only the spelling, that is managers, this is incorrect because the spelling of managers is managers. Therefore our answer is A, and the correct spelling is managers. Now this is the correct spelling that has to be used over here. So this is the correct spelling. Now let us move to the next question. So this is question number 6 that we have already done. Now we'll move to the question number 7. The government will push through economic reforms once the new financial year begins. It means as soon as the new or the latest financial year begins. Now new financial year. If we see all the words, here we refer to that financial year that is a fresh financial year. But this new is actually the second form of no. No means when we have an idea, what is it? Or when we have knowledge of something, that means no, and its second form is new. But here new, there is no work of new over here. In fact, we are talking about the latest or the fresh financial year. That means NEW, new financial year. So we want to have the new financial year begin. So we are talking about the new financial year, not the new, that is KNEW. So according to the context of the sentence, this word is incorrect. So our answer is P because this word is incorrect according to the context of the sentence. So our answer is P, and the correct word to be used over here is NEW in place of KNEW. So this is the correct word that has to be used over here. Now let us move to the another question, that is question number 8. Committee have been asked to dispose of all grievance petitions within the next fortnight. Now, if we look at the sentence carefully, we have word dispose. So the spelling of dispose is DISPOZE. Petitions, PETITIONS, petitions. Within, it means in a particular area. So within or next fortnight, that is 14 or 15 days. Now, committee have been asked to dispose. Now the spelling of this dispose is incorrect. It should be DISPOSE. P-O-S-E, dispose. So this word is incorrect. So our answer is A. So our answer is A. And what is the correct spelling? Let us see. This is dispose. The answer is A. And the correct spelling is D-I-S-P-O-S-E, dispose. So this is the correct spelling of the word dispose. So committee have been asked to dispose of all grievance petitions within the next fortnight. It means to just you can say solve or destroy or just ruin all the grievance petitions or to solve out. Now let us move to the next one. Generally, gift cards do not allow a cash refund and have a validity period. Now, you must have heard this word many times, that is validity. Validity is actually the duration or the time duration in which one thing is accessible or up to which the thing is in work, or the thing that of which we are talking about, the validity that is working. For example, the validity of our calling packs and validity of anything. So generally gift cards do not allow. Now if we see the spelling of generally, so G-E-N-E-R-A-L-L-Y, this is absolutely correct. After that we have another word, that is allow, A-L-L-O-W, this spelling is also correct. After that we have a word validity. Now the spelling of validity is incorrect. It should be V-A-L-I-D-I-T-Y, whereas it is written over here, that is V-A-L-I-D-I-T-I-E. So spelling of validity is incorrect. The spelling of word period is P-E-R-I-O-D, which is absolutely correct over here. So of course our answer is C, because this word is incorrect. In fact, it should be replaced with correct spelling, that is V-A-L-I-D-I-T-Y. This is the correct spelling of this particular word. Now let us move to the next one. Here we have another question number 10. Printing money to boost the economy is a threat to financial stability. Now I will look at this sentence or this question carefully. Here it is written printing money. Now printing is a gerund over here. Printing means to print money, or you can say notes, currency notes. To print currency notes. To boost the economy or to rise the economy is a threat to financial stability. The threat means a matter of fear to financial stability. Now the spelling of stability is incorrect over here, therefore it is the answer, that is answer is D, because the spelling of stability is incorrect. It should be replaced with S-T-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. So this is the correct spelling of stability. So the correct sentence is printing money to boost the economy is a threat to financial stability, but there the spelling of stability should be correct. It is incorrectly written over here. So our answer is D, of course. So this was answer number 10. Now let us move to the question number 11. So here we are on question number 11 right now. The government has permitted foreign direct investment in digital service providers up to a limit of 50%. Now let us see the bold words. So the bold words are permitted, digital, service, percent. Now let us see the spellings of these words one by one. First we'll have the spelling of permitted, that is P-E-R-M-I-T-T-E-D, permitted. This is correct. And this is actually, you can say, participle over here. Digital, D-I-G-I-T-A-I-L. Now this is not digital, this is digital. So the spelling is incorrect of digital. Therefore our answer is B. Now let us move to another words, that is service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E. Absolutely correct. And after that we have a spelling of person, that is P-E-R-C-E-N-T. This is also correct. So of course our answer is B, because its spelling is incorrect. The correct spelling should be D-I-G-I-T-A-L. This A-I-L. This I should be removed from here. It is not digital, it is digital. So the correct spelling is D-I-G-I-T-A-L. So this was answer number 11. This is the sentence that should be written over here. Now that should have been written over here. Now let us move to the next one. This is question number 12. A bank gift card is usually a prepaid card which can be used in an ATM to check the balance, but one cannot withdraw cash. Now, if we talk about this check, this is actually a kind of negotiable instrument after signing it or after filling this with the amount that we want, we present it into a bank and they provide us money uh, from our account only, whatever amount we have written on check as per our requirement, and also the availability of the balance. So that is a check. So that is a kind of negotiable instrument. But if we talk about here in this sentence, a bank gift card, we are talking about a bank gift card, is usually a prepaid card. It is a kind of prepaid card. It means we have to just pay before we have to fetch from it, which can be used in an ATM to check the balance. Now, here we are talking about checking the balance, means to just evaluate whether the balance that we need is there in our account or not, or how much balance do we have in our account. So, just to check it, just to inspect it, or you can say just to look for it. That word is not a negotiable instrument. This is a negotiable instrument, but here we are talking about checking the balance. So this spelling or this check is incorrect, though it is correct spelling wise, but according to the meaning of this word, this is not suitable as per the requirement of the sentence. In fact, the correct word should be CHECK, check, or to look for the money, or to look for the balance. Now let us see this answer. So the answer is check, of course. So C is the correct answer, because the correct spelling that we need is CHECK, not CHEQUE. That is another word. So the word which is given to us is not correct according to the context of the sentence, though spelling of this particular word is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. Now this is question number 13. He first joined the board of directors 2 years ago, has expressed his concerns at various global debates. Now, the words which are in bold are joined, ago, various, global. Now, if we see the spelling of ago, that is correct. Various, again correct. Global, again correct. Only the spelling which is not correct is joined. So, join is actually a verb, and to make it in past form, it is JOINED. So, this double N is not required. So, our answer is A, because this spelling is incorrect over here, and the correct spelling should be JOINED. This is the correct spelling that is required by us. So this is the correct sentence. Now let us move to the next question. Next question is question number 14. Now let us see this question. The vast amount of information available today has created a more knowledgeable public. Now let us see each and every word one by one. The first word is waste, 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 though the spelling of waste is correct. Amount, 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 the spelling is correct. Information, 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 this is also correct. And public, 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 the spellings of these words are correct. Now let us see the meanings of these words. Waste, when something is spared, or you can say something is not of use, when something is there which is not of use. So not of use, that is just rubbish. Amount, a particular quantity of something. Information, any data that we want to gather, or the group of data. Public is actually the people, or the vast public. Now, or the vast number of people. The vast amount of information. Does it make any sense? The vast amount of information. Now, this is incorrect. It should be the vast amount of information available today has created a more knowledgeable public. If we say waste amount, if that is of no use, how can it make or create a knowledgeable public? So the word waste is not according to the context of the sentence. The meaning of this word is not according to the context of the sentence. Therefore, our answer is A, waste, and it should be replaced with VAST. Vast. Vast means very much, or you can say a big amount of something, a large amount of something. So the vast amount of information available today has created a more knowledgeable public. Now the sentence is correct. We should replace this waste with vast. Now let us move to the next question. There is question number 15. Some of the steps taken over the late few months have made the tax return filing process simpler. Now, some of the steps taken over. Taken over means when some steps have been taken. Over the late few months. Now, what does this late refer to? Though the spelling of this word late is absolutely correct over here. And another spellings, that is filing, filing, simpler, steps, all these spellings are correct. But late few months, this does not make any sense. Now, what late few months? It should be last few months. We are talking about last few months. This word is incorrect over here. It should be replaced with last, last. So our answer is B, as you can see over here. Now let us move to the next one. That is question number 16. The RBI governor is the newly appointed vice chairman of the Bank for International Settlements and will occupy the post for 3 years. Now, let us see the board words, that is governor, newly appointed, occupy. Now, let us see the spellings of all these words one by one. So, the first word is governor. Spelling of it is Governor. The spelling is correct. Now, let us see another word, that is newly, Newly. This word is also correct. Appointed, Appointed, appointed. This word is also correct. And after that, we have occupy. Now, here the spelling of occupy is incorrect. Therefore, our answer is D. And the correct spelling should be Occupy. This is the correct spelling of occupy. So our answer is T, and it has to be replaced with Occupy. That is the correct spelling of occupy. Occupy means to hold the post for 3 years. Now let us move to the next one. Now this is question number 17. So let us see this question. In his new book, the author argues that films should generate value for society as well as shareholders. So it is written society. Now let us see all the spellings one by one. Argues, Argues, correct spelling. Generate, Generate, generate. This is also correct spelling. After that, we have another word, that is value, Value, value. This spelling is also correct. And after that, we have a word, that is society. And we know well that the spelling of society is Society. So the spelling of society is incorrect. So our answer is T, of course, because this spelling is incorrect. And the correct spelling should be Society. So this is Society. So this is the correct spelling of society, which has to be replaced with Society. So this is incorrect spelling. This is not the spelling of society. In society, we have Y at the end of the word. Now let us move to the next question. That is question number 18. You do not need to be a customer of a specific bank in order to purchase a gift card from that bank. Now, these types of questions are very, very easy and simple. You just have to look for the particular word which is either incorrectly spelled, or inappropriate according to the context of the sentence. So here, if we see the sentence, you do not need to be a customer. Now, the spelling of need is NEED, need. And you do not need to be a customer. It means they want to say that you, if you are not the customer of that particular specific bank, that is fine. It is not a fault. So customer to a specific bank, it means of that specific bank, in order to purchase a gift card from that bank. It means if you are not the customer of that particular bank and you want to purchase the gift card, you can have it, though you are not the customer of that particular bank. Now, if we see the sentence carefully, the context or the meaning of the sentence is regular or correct. If we see all the spellings of these board words, these are also correct. Again, our answer is E, that is all correct, because all the words are matching according to the spelling and the context of the sentence. Therefore, our answer is E, that is the sentence is absolutely correct and there is no error at all in the sentence. Now, let us move to the next one. Now, here we have another question. To deal with the grievances of taxpayers, the department will set up local committees in every region. Now, to deal with, it means to make business with the grievances of taxpayers. Or you can say deal means to tackle. Deal with grievances means problems of taxpayers, because they are just just very said that the department will set up local committees in every region. Now this is locale. Now locale, this word is incorrect over here, or you can say the spelling of the word local is incorrect. Local means which is uh, inside a country or inside a city only, or of that particular city only. So here it is not locale, it is local. So the correct spelling is local. So the correct answer is B, of course. So the correct spelling is local. Now let us move to the next one. The government has eased foreign direct investment norms across 15 sectors. Now we look at this sentence carefully. The government has eased. Eased means made simple. Foreign direct investment, that is FDI, norms, it means rules and regulations, crossed 15 sectors. Now, up to this part, the sentence is correct. But if I say crossed 15 sectors, crossed means passed. So, this is incorrect. It does not make any sense that who is crossing those 15 sectors. No, they want to say across 15 sectors. So, this word crossed is incorrect. It should be answer D, and the correct word should be across 15 sectors. Here we need a preposition, and the correct preposition is across, not crossed. Crossed is actually passed or passed through. Now let us move to the next one. That is question number 21. Career choices are not obvious or simple to make. So according to this, the word career spelling is correct, that is CARER, career. Choices, it means options, so CHOICES, choices, this is also correct. Are not obvious and simple to make, the spelling of make is also correct, only the spelling of obvious is incorrect. So our answer is C, that is obvious, and the correct spelling will be OBVIAOUS, obvious. When we talk about any word that ends with us voice, there we have spellings OUS, or OUS suffix we use over there. Now let us move to the next question. This is question number 22. The government formally announced the extension of its PAR subsidy scheme for the next finance year. Now let us see the spellings. Formally, FORMALY, formally announced. Announced is actually verb, and to rectify this verb, to qualify this verb, we need adverb. So this formally is absolutely correct over here. The extension of its PAR subsidy. Extension means just to make it bigger. So this is also correct, of its PAR subsidy scheme. Now we are talking about PAR subsidy scheme for the next finance year. Now of course we do not have finance year. In fact, we have financial year. So this word is incorrect over here. It should be financial year, not finance year. So our answer is D, that is finance. So the correct spelling will be FINANCIAL, financial. This is the correct spelling. Now let us move to the next one. This is question number 23. It is a common practice nowadays in households for parents to ration out device used for specific time limits. Now, let us see the spellings of each and every word. First, it is written nowadays. Now, the correct phrase should be nowadays. Households, HOUSE, households, HOLDS, holds, households is absolutely correct. Nowadays, in households for parents to ration out. Ration out means just to make to figure out or to make solution. Ration out device used for specific time limits. So this ration out, this phrase is correct over here, but the incorrect phrase is nowadays. Because so our answer is A, and the correct phrase will be nowadays. This is the correct spelling or the correct phrase. Now let us move to the next question. Now this is question number 24. Physical remoteness, high rates of malnutrition and poor living conditions contribute to the vulnerability of people to TB. Now let us see each and every word one by one. First we have remoteness. So REMOTENESS. Physical remoteness, it means area which is not at your reach. High rates of malnutrition. Now because of this, high rates of malnutrition and poor living conditions contribute to the vulnerability. It means weakness of people to TB. So vulnerability, spelling of this is incorrect. It should be vulnerability. So the correct answer is T, because the spelling of vulnerability is incorrect over here. So our answer is T. He was equally well known. Now this is question number 25. He was equally well known for his temper and generosity. Now if we look at this question carefully, we have word know. Know means to have an idea about something. He was equally well known. Now if we talk about the correct phrase, it should be known, not know. So this is the correct answer, because this word is incorrectly written over here. It should be known, and well known means famous. So we should have a word that is well known, that means famous. So the word which is written over here is incorrect, and it should be rectified. It should be rectified with the help of the correct word, that is known, because well known means famous. So this is the correct answer that we knew, that we want over here. So these were some questions that we have done. I hope you understood these type of questions. So these were misspelled words PYQs, or you can say practice questions for misspelled words. So thanks to you.